Hi, I'm Stephen Garrett, an engineer in the J&E Technical Center. We're outside on this beautiful sunny day, a little windy, but otherwise pretty nice. I'm going to show you 3 assessment methods we have for corrosion evaluation of reinforced concrete structures. The first method we're going to demonstrate is half-cell potential testing. In this method, we make a electrical connection to our embedded reinforcing steel, and then using a voltmeter and a copper sulfate electrode, we'll take potential measurements across the surface of the reinforced concrete structure. The reference electrode is copper sulfate, so there's a copper rod embedded in a copper sulfate solution, an aqueous solution. We typically take measurements in a regular spacing across the structure, and then the changes in voltage that we measure is correlated to the corrosion activity of the embedded reinforced steel. We'll take these data and plot them in a contour plot, and that'll give us indications of hotspots of potential corrosion activity in areas where we might want to follow up with additional inspection or potentially repairs. The second method we're going to discuss is surface resistivity testing. We have a handheld probe that induces a current in the concrete, an electrical current, and then across these inner electrodes we measure the voltage change. That gives us a resistivity, which is proportional to the concrete's ability to conduct charge, thus promote corrosion reactions. So to do this test, we place the probe on the concrete surface, take a couple different readings at different orientations, and then record those measurements for later analysis. The third method we're going to discuss is instantaneous corrosion rate measurements using the LPR probe, or the linear polarization resistance probe. This device uses a ring electrode and a half-cell electrode to create an electrical circuit with our embedded reinforcing bar. The results of this test give us an indication on how fast the reinforcement might be corroding and when we might see damage in the reinforced concrete structure. Thanks for stopping by the J&E Technical Center.